Introducing the PaperStream software portfolio, unlocking the value of information and increasing organizational productivity. PaperStream is integral to ensuring Fujitsu Image Scanner Solutions remain the world's most trusted scanning technology. The PaperStream software portfolio comprises a family of applications that streamline both the capture process and management of the capture system itself. Through powerful, automatic image cleanup, PaperStream IP delivers exceptional quality images for faster, lower-cost downstream operations. Maximizing image quality ensures the highest data accuracy for OCR processing. And with optimized file sizes, access is faster and storage costs reduced. For network-enabled scanning, PaperStream IPNet delivers the same benefits, but also enables any scanner to connect to any PC on the network. This allows greater flexibility in where scanners are deployed. PaperStream Capture easily automates regular batch scanning operations for greater efficiency. Profile-driven routines make it easy for operators to trigger the capture and release of information into digital workflows. PaperStream Capture can extract data from documents, passports or ID cards using features such as zonal OCR or MRZ recognition, while patch code and barcode recognition allows automated batch separation, sorting and release functions to further streamline the capture process. And for organizations with high-volume scanning needs, upgrading to PaperStream Capture Pro enables re-engineering of the capture process to maximize throughput and efficiency gains. PaperStream Capture Pro also provides more powerful metadata capture and validation tools, including the ability to specify metadata field rules, properties, and attributes. PaperStream ClickScan allows operators to effortlessly scan unexpected items with a single push of a button. With no configuration required, PaperStream ClickScan's instant ad hoc scanning means businesses can stay productive and on track whatever comes their way. Scanner management made easy. Scanner Central Admin allows administrators to efficiently manage up to 1,000 scanners per instance from one screen. Remote, simultaneous provisioning, configuration and updates eliminate unnecessary in-person visits, while real-time data monitoring ensures scheduled servicing is carried out and peak performance is maintained. And PaperStream NX Manager is software that enables centralized server-based capture solutions. The PaperStream software portfolio, unlocking the value of information and increasing organizational productivity.